Welcome. This is unboxing the REDRAGON PS001-500W 80 bronze power supply. We'll explore the packaging, design, and features of this high-efficiency power unit. With its 80 bronze certification and 500 watt capacity, this power supply is a promising addition to middle PC build, offering reliable performance and efficiency. Join us as we unpack and review the key aspects of this power supply to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our tech unboxing and review videos.